All right, we're going to continue now with Stage 1, Part 2. As before, we are still using the UBD unit model, which is Grade 7, Mathematics, Unit 8, Random Sampling, Inferences, and Population Comparisons. We have already discussed the first sections of Stage 1 in this format, which are the identified desired results of established goals, understandings, and essential questions. Now we're going to move on into knowledge, otherwise known as learning targets, and skills, which would be the success criteria. Conceptual knowledge, or learning targets, are all the important skills, facts, and knowledge the students must know or learn in this unit. The bulleted list, as you can see, complete the phrases students will know. These are conceptual understandings that the student should come away with after completion of this unit. Examples of learning targets in this unit, which again was random sampling, inferences, and population comparisons, would be: random samples are used to make predictions about an entire population and should be able to judge the possible discrepancies of the predictions. The statistics can be used to gain information about an entire population by examining and drawing conclusions, a sample of the population, and etc. The skills, or the success criteria, are what the students should be able to do, an action that should be able to be completed upon completion of this unit. And they should be able to use the acquired knowledge from the learning targets. Again, notice there are bulleted lists which complete the phrase students will be able to. The skills should allow the students to demonstrate or apply their conceptual understanding. In this specific unit, after completing it, students will be able to use random samples to make predictions about the entire population and judge possible discrepancies of predictions, use real-life situations from science and social studies for random sampling to make inferences about a population, make predictions about populations based on given data, and etc. The conceptual knowledge and skills, as indicated here in Stage 1, Part 2, work together to scaffold the student's understanding of the original, quote, big ideas of the unit. Ultimately, students will prove their understanding of and transfer of the knowledge through various forms of assessment, which will be shown in Stage 2, which will be addressed in the next section. Hopefully this will help you be able to understand and navigate Stage 1 of the UBD unit model.